everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make this cute sign just in time for fall. For this project, I picked up this wood with a pumpkin cutout from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using permanent vinyl in black. Let's get started. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. The design I'm using today is long and skinny, so I will be using the 2-foot green mat today. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. This design is cut out and ready to weed. Because it is so big, I'm going to weed it in 2 different sections. I'll just grab my knife tool here and just cut it right down the middle. Now I can grab my weeder tool and remove the background. Now I can put on some transfer tape. With a long design like this, I'll put on 2 pieces, one on the top and one on the bottom. If you ever have to use 2 pieces, just make sure both of the transfer tape pieces overlap a little bit. I'll use my scraper to stick the transfer tape down to the vinyl really well. I picked up one of these extra large scraper tools, and it comes in handy on big projects like this. Flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Now I can line the design up into position. That looks good. I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down. Now I can pull off the transfer tape. This project is done and ready for fall. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.